so let's get started. All right. Cute, right? Not. So I split it into two here. Untangle my hair, and so what I do is I grab my straightener, and since I have like frizzy hair, I like to straighten that top, about that top inch of my hair, and then also like the last 2-3 inches of my hair as well. After that, I get my curling iron. This is just a very cheap curling iron from Walmart. It's like 20 bucks. It's that Conair curling iron that I feel like everybody has or has had at one point. So I keep it there for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 seconds. Let it go. And that's pretty much what I do. I curl it back towards the back of my face. So let me show you guys again. I get a little section about an inch of hair or so, and I straighten the top and the bottom. And then I get my curling iron like this, put the hair in, bring it down so it smooths the hair out a little bit, and then I just wrap it around that way. And I let it sit there for a few seconds as it curls, and it gives me a pretty tight curl, but I like it that way. That way I can mess with it and kind of like ease out the waves later on after I'm done with everything. So that's pretty much what I do. So I will probably be speeding this up here because it's kind of boring. And so let me show you this side. This side I do the same thing. I curl away from the, straighten it flat on the top part of my hair, and then also on the bottom, like that. Get my curling iron in, and I always put the clamp towards the bottom so that way I can curl away from the face, like that. And I do bring the curling iron all the way up to the top of the head to where it does, where I do try to get as much wave in my hair as possible. And that's what I do. I just leave it there for a few seconds. Let it go. So here at the top, I section my hair again. Wrap it around. Put one of these clips in it. And I do the exact same thing except for up here. Sometimes I'll grab smaller pieces than what I do at the bottom, just so that it gets a little bit more of a detail or more wave in the hair. I like my curl to kind of start a little bit about mid-face. It kind of gives me a frame to my face, and so I just like that. It looks cute, I think, right? So the parts here near my face, I do like to make sure that those parts are kind of sleek and straightened out, just because I really don't like having like those frizzy, messy hair near my face. So I really will go through it and make sure that these parts are straightened here. Okay, so after I finally get everything curled and waved out and how I like it, I go in with a little bit of Argan oil. I put a little drop into the palm of my hand, and I just put it all on the palm, even on the fingers, because that's pretty much what I like to what I use to kind of mess up the curls a little bit. And I don't like to bring it up here because I don't like my scalp to get greasy or oily. So I just kind of brush my waves through with that. That way my hair gets a little bit of shine. So here I'll just like go through the front a little bit, smooth out the top, because I really don't like flyaways. And so I then go in with some hairspray. This one I got from JCPenney's. Otherwise, if I'm just gonna pick up one from like Walmart or the drugstore, this is the one that I usually get from Aussie. But I'm gonna use this one because I feel like the one from Aussie, the scent is a little too strong, too chemically for me. And I don't know, I just don't like it. So, and that is my completed look, you guys. So yeah, I feel like this is a really good look that you could use for so many different combos of clothing, different styles. It is dressy, it is casual, you can, I don't know, it just makes you look so cute and stylish, right? So if you guys already do your hair this way, let me know. Or if you guys want to see more hairstyles, I love doing hair. I'm all about those like formal hairstyles and things like that. So if you guys are into those type of things, let me know and I would be glad to make some videos like that so you guys can kind of know how. I don't know if some of you are like in high school or even college going to like formals and stuff like that. So if you are, just let me know. And if you want to know how to do an easy formal hairstyle, let me know and maybe I can make you guys a little video for that. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.